Imagine an object so small, it could rest on your fingertip, a simple needle. Now imagine that same needle hurtling through the cosmos, approaching Earth at 99.9% the speed of light. It sounds insignificant, harmless, but this tiny projectile carries more destructive power than humanity has ever witnessed. What would happen if this unstoppable object met our immovable planet? First, let's be clear, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, getting any object with mass to the speed of light is physically impossible. It would require an infinite amount of energy. But this is scenario-verse. Here, we explore the impossible. So let's say an advanced intelligence has solved this problem. The needle is on its way. The danger isn't its size, it's the colossal kinetic energy it carries. Think of it less like a pinprick and more like a cosmic bullet, charged with the energy of a star. Let's imagine our needle strikes land. As it pierces our atmosphere, the friction would create a blinding streak of light across the sky. But it's moving too fast to burn up completely. The moment of impact would be silent because you wouldn't live to hear it. The needle would unleash an explosion releasing energy over 100 times greater than the nuclear bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The city and everything in it would be incinerated. A shockwave would flatten buildings for miles, and the impact would register as a magnitude 7 earthquake, shaking the entire continent. The destruction would be absolute, but incredibly, it wouldn't be a global catastrophe ... yet. But what if the needle hit the ocean? 70% of our planet is water, after all. The impact would instantly vaporize trillions of tons of seawater, creating a colossal plume of steam and water shooting miles into the atmosphere. The energy release would be just as violent as the land impact. This would create gigantic, chaotic waves near the impact zone. But surprisingly, it wouldn't cause a planet-spanning tsunami. Tsunamis are caused by the displacement of massive amounts of water from something like an underwater earthquake, a huge area shifting at once. The needle is a single point of impact, devastating for thousands of miles, but the planet would survive. But there is a fourth possibility, a worst-case scenario. What if the needle, by sheer cosmic bad luck, struck one of Earth's supervolcanoes? The impact would be like piercing a planet-sized pressure cooker. It would fracture the Earth's crust, triggering a chain reaction of volcanic eruptions on a scale humanity has never seen. Billions of tons of ash would be thrown into the atmosphere, enveloping the entire planet and blocking out the sun for over a decade. This is a volcanic winter. Temperatures would plummet. Crops would fail globally, ecosystems would collapse as plants die, followed by the animals that feed on them. It would be a true extinction-level event, rivaling the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. It's a terrifying thought that the universe contains enough energy to erase our world in an instant, all packed into an object small enough to lose in a sewing kit. Thankfully, the laws of physics are on our side, making this scenario a near impossibility. It serves as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance that allows life to exist, and the unimaginable forces that govern our universe. What other impossibly powerful scenarios can you imagine? Let us know your thoughts. Comment with your opinion below, and don't forget to subscribe to Scenarioverse for more journeys into the impossible.